This is going to be a video review of the Aoycocr Wi-Fi smart plug. This is a mini plug. It's compatible with Alexa, Echo, Google Home, IFTTT, Alexa Dot, Alexa on your cell phone, Google Voice, Google Home. Install the Smart Life app. I'm going to show you all about that in a minute. You don't need a hub. This works on 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. It handles 10 amps per plug. So it comes in a package of 4. The price is absolutely incredible. Very bright, bold white color. It's the name over there, 10 amps. We have the on-off switch over here on the side. And this will also have a light that lets you know when the light is on. Also flashes to let you know that you're ready to sync this to your Smart Life app. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to show you how we make the light work, or the appliance, whatever we're going to plug in here. Right now we have our standard lamp. You turn it on and off by doing this. If you are across the country, if you're in another state, if you're in a different room, there's no way to do that unless you have one of these smart plugs. So let's get this going. Let's plug this in. We're going to link it to the Smart Life app. The first step is to go to your Play Store for Android or iPhone and install the Smart Life app. Get everything all set up. It's very simple to do. The instructions will walk you through this, but you will install your Smart Life app. You are going to have to put in the password to your Wi-Fi that you have at home, and after you get everything set up, then it's time to do the install. So, reason I have this cloth over here, that's to block my phone number so everyone doesn't see it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug the smart plug into the outlet, and when I do that, we're going to see a flashing light, a quick flashing light, and if we don't, we'll press the button and we should start flashing. If we don't have a flashing light, normally you hold it down for about 5 seconds until you get a flashing light to let you know, okay, I just heard a click, and now we have a rapidly flashing light, as you can see over there. After the light is flashing, you have about 30 seconds or a minute to make everything work, to set it all up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back over to the cell phone. In the corner, you're going to see a plus sign. You want to click on that plus sign, and we are going to look for something that we see it right over there. It says outlet. Make sure you click on socket under electrical devices. We will confirm that the light is flashing. The light is flashing. Make sure that you are on a 2.4 gig network. If you're on the 5 gig, it's not going to work. 2.4 gig is set. Now, about 12% we should get a connection on here. You'll hear the Alexa Dot in the background saying that it is connected. And you will also see a display at about 12% that everything is connected. There it is.
On Smart Socket, and you can control it by saying, turn on Smart Socket.
So you heard in the background I found Smart Socket, and you can control it by saying Smart Socket. I don't want to keep it at Smart Socket. I want to change that. So I'm going to go over here, and we'll just call it Smart. So now we've got the name Smart. It's successful. Done. Now we are going to go on to the next step. Socket is off. So we see that the socket is off. I have plugged the lamp into the smart plug. The button that I told you about on the side, we can press that button. You're going to see the light come on now, and you're going to hear a click. The light has come on. You can see the reflection. The light has gone off. Let's watch the message here on the cell phone. When I press the button, socket is on. So let's deal strictly with the cell phone now. You're in another room, you're in another state, you're at another house. You just saw the light go off. You see the message, the light is off. The light is on. Switch, light is off. Light is on. We also have a countdown timer. We can control when the light goes on or off. We also have a timer over here. You can go in here and add a schedule for when you want the lights to go on and off. Just do a quick look over there. You can set it for repeat. You can set the switch. You can set the times that you want everything to go on and off. You got the schedule over there. Press the button again, light goes off. Once you get this all set up, go in there and set it up to link your Smart Life app to the Alexa app or your Google Assistant app, and then you can use your voice. I've already set my Smart Life app up to the Alexa app. Alexa can be very finicky sometimes. It did not like the word smart, so I have renamed it Room. Alexa, turn on Room. Watch this.
Okay.
Is that awesome? The light came on, it showed you over there, it went on. Alexa, room off.
Okay.
Alexa, room on.
Okay.
So no matter where you are in the world, you can use your Alexa, use your voice, turn whatever you have plugged into the smart plug on or off. You can do that with your cell phone. You can go over here and turn it on or off. You can set this in groups so that you can turn on groups of lights at the same time. You can share this info, this data, with other people in the family so they can turn the light on or off. You can buy these in a 1-pack and a 4-pack. I am going to leave the link in the video description so that you can purchase the 1-pack. It's an incredible product, very simple to set up. Made by Aoycocr, Aoycocr. Alexa, turn room off.
Okay.
Make sure you buy this. They are incredible to automate your house.